Looking for the perfect mix of style, space, and adventure? Our 2023 GMC Acadia SLE Elevation Edition is waiting for you at Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals in Fredericton, NB. Whether you're shuttling the family or hitting New Brunswick's scenic highways, this all-wheel drive SUV is built to keep up with your busy life. Packed with third-row seating, a powerful V6 engine, and bold Elevation Edition styling, it's as functional as it is stunning. Inside, you'll enjoy heated front seats, middle-row bucket seats, and a panoramic sunroof that lets the light shine on every drive. Technology like the touchscreen infotainment system, remote start, and Bluetooth connectivity keeps you seamlessly connected, while safety features like blind spot monitoring and stability control give you confidence on the road. Buying from Jim Gilbert's means more than driving away in your dream vehicle. You're getting our factory warranty protection, 12-month Huggable Guarantee, $0 down financing, and even a full tank of gas. Plus, spin to win up to $500 in free gas. Don't miss out. Schedule your test drive today and experience why Fredericton loves shopping with Canada's Huggable car dealer.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya.